Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips pop container. It's a clear plastic container with a cover that seals. You just pop the button on the top and it will seal or unseal. I'll show you the seals on the side here on the cover. This is a good container because since it seals, it doesn't allow your food to spoil. It can keep the freshness in there and prevent rodents and critters from getting in there to eat your food or to contaminate it. So this is a pretty good product and I highly recommend it.